AI is everywhere. No matter what you do online, what trade you are in or what business you are in, no matter what your niche is, there is no way that you can ignore AI, and whatever you're doing online, you need to have access to AI. You need to be using AI. Think about product creation, think about content creation, think about running ads, about SEO optimization, about creating content to market your product or to present it to viewers or to people around the world. You need to use AI to get things going, to get things forward, to reduce your effort, to reduce costs, and to create better content and get better results. You can't escape that. Now, if you want to go and use AI, there's of course a way. You can acquire many different products that are specialists in their own field. Like I create a lot of specialized products. People love my products and they love the results that they get. Or you can also try to get some products that do multi-AI functionality, that provide multi-AI functionality in one app. Well, today I've got this new product. It's called the Ultimate AI, and it's one of those multi-AI functionality apps that has everything that AI can offer. So it does content writing, it does SEO, it does image creation, it does video creation, makes podcasts, converts your text into audio, and also of course clones your voice. So it's got a ton of features, all the different things that you can do with AI. They put it all together into one app. So it's something really interesting. Let's go and check it out and see what this app can do for you. So before we go to the app itself, here is my review page. Everything that AI can do is in this platform. Get all of it in one go. So there's a little bit of an intro about what the app does with some samples. And you can see there's a demo here. If you want to watch the developer's demo, this is the demo from the developer. You can watch it. And there's also the funnel, so the commercial, the front end, and all the upgrades are listed here. There's also a bonus deal on this one and my coupon, Cyril's deal, which will give you a 50% discount if you want to grab the bonus deal. So don't forget about that. There's a button where you can reach the product. And of course, my bonuses, because you can claim any Technic Force software if you like this product enough to buy it and you decide to buy it from my link. The links are in the description if you're watching the video on YouTube, and if you're watching this on the review page, well, you are already here. So just click on Go to Ultimate AI and you will get there. Now let's take a look at the app. This is the app. The access has been provided to me by the developers for the purpose of review. So when I logged in, the first thing I got was the requirement to give a workspace name. I'm gonna select the name Technic Force and I'm gonna create workspace. There's also trainings over here. Let's go ahead and create the workspace. All right, so this is the second screen. You can see all the tools are here. Podcast creator, AI avatar creator, video creator, voice cloner, AI image generator, graphics designer, website maker, ads creative maker, AI agents that you can put on your site or chat with actually on this site itself, social media content creator, YouTube optimizer, email writer, blog creator, copywriter, AI code generator, so you can do coding with this, and AI content writer. Lots of different tools, right? So let's try and look at some of them and see how they work. So I start with podcast, create new podcast. Here we go. So I need to put in scripts for one person and second person, and you got scenes, so you can just click on add more. So we can use Babycast originals for one, and for agent 2 we'll use mic drop minis, and let's put in some details. Okay, so I wrote a little bit of a little script. Hey, my mom's trying a new brand of diapers on me. Do you like them? And blah blah. So I've got like 4 scenes here, a little funny script. And I can choose the audio. We can listen to them samples.
Hi there, this is a sample voice test. Let's see how it sounds.
Hi there, this is a sample voice test. Let's see how it sounds. Hi there, this is a sample voice test. Let's see how it sounds.
Okay, so I'll just go for Henry. And for the girl, I want female. Okay, both of them changed somehow.
हॅलो, ही एक व्हॉइस टेस्ट नमुना आहे. पाहूया हे कसे वाटते.
She actually spoke Marathi.
Hi there, this is is a sample voice.
All right, I'll choose this one. But I think I noticed that the audio changed for both the sides when I change the gender. That keeps happening. So I think it is selected. Let's try one more, male and then female. And Carly should be selected. I think that works, right? So click on generate podcast. It says fill all. So I've got to, I thought I would leave this section empty in one of the podcasts, one of the scenes I cannot apparently. So I just deleted that one and clicking on generate now. It seems to be working. Let's wait and see how this works. So here it says video is in process. This may take 15 to 10 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes. So I'm going to double click. I'm going to shift click on this, control click actually, and start a new tab. I'm going to leave this working and I will try to check out the other section, AI avatar creator, create our first avatar. I'm going to Abigail sofa front. Okay. Okay, I'm going to write the script off camera. Hold on a second. So I wrote a fake promotion for a fictional product and I've got Abigail over here. Let's try to get a voice. And Nivedita is Hindi. Let's try Christy.
Hi there. This is a sample.
Okay, I will take Christy. Click on generate. Okay, so 10 to 15 minutes. Let's go back and check that one. Still not done, no problems. Let's start another tab. And this time video creator. So I guess that's another video maker. Let's try that too. Start from scratch. My plant video. Click on create video. So yep, you've got this editor over here. And there is a section for avatar, though I don't see any way to add an avatar. Nothing here. There are some templates, I suppose. So, okay, so I can use a template. I'm gonna try that. Here is a template. I clicked it, and then there is a kind of a video. Okay. So avatar, I will leave it BG, which is the background color. So I can change that just for the heck of it. Okay, I can select it. This is the selector. I don't think it changed anything though. I can put a text. Stay focused, stay strong. All right. So I've got this multiple times. I'll try to delete it. So it does get deleted, which is a good thing. I just want it one time. Stay focused. So clicking gets you there. And green on green. All right. So I just press Ctrl Z and it, yep. Green on green doesn't look good. I will change the color to blue or black or blue. Yep. And let's bring it down. And again, let's try for blue and bring it down. All right. Now I don't want to say stay focused, stay strong. Of course, I want to change the message. Green thumb plant formula. All right, so I accept that. Then you have elements. You can put in emojis. I will put an emoji. Yes. All right. Here. And then you've got assets. You can upload your own videos here, I suppose. And there's a library. And there's a video library and an image library. So you can have these backgrounds and all. So this is kind of like I would say, a composting tool. You can bring in elements together, make a video, put in your own audio and things like that. So if I click on export, it will start rendering. Meanwhile, our video is still in process. This one is 404 now. Okay, so something probably went wrong. All right, so the 404, I have no clue why this happened. This is still in progress. I tried to do back, but I think I made a mistake. All right. Okay, so this is actually my website. It's not a 404. So the videos are still in process. And this is rendered. So click on download video. The video is downloading. Pretty cool. Let's take a look at it. You can see green thumb plant formula. Of course, you would want to compose it and bring in your own video here, which I didn't do. That's okay. So our video is still in processing. Let's go and take a look at another section, of course. Go back to the main site. And this time let's try voice cloning. So you got these voices and you got a text. You can say a text. I will just write something down. Give me a second. All right, so I wrote some corny copy over here. Now you got these voices which are already a part of it. I think it's a pretty good library, honestly. Huge library, in fact. Wow, look at this gigantic library. Darnell. Okay, so something, I can't hear the audio though. Okay, so maybe the preview is not working in this section. If you click on clone audio, you can upload your audio file and that should work. I want to see if I have an audio file handy, probably this one. Let's try it. Generate. Okay, so it got generated and I can download it. Was it in my voice? We'll soon find out, or similar. Here we go. What sort of file is this?
Green Thumb is the best plant formula around. If you WNT healthy plants, you want Green Thumb. Let's go get Green Thumb.
Hey, that sounds like me. Play it again.
Green Thumb is the best plant formula around. If you WNT healthy plants, you want Green Thumb. Let's go get Green Thumb.
Hey, it did sound like me. That's amazing. So yeah, you can clone your voice. We just tested that. Worked pretty well. Now let's go for the AI image creator, and our videos are still still rendering, still being made. That's okay. Now in the AI image generator, you got many options. You can generate regular images, fashion, you can remove backgrounds, you can create faces, high resolution images, you can mix images, make logos, create deep fakes. All right, create deep fakes and make image to image and use and get stock photos. Quite an amazing collection, guys. I will go for fashion, yeah, but I need 2 images and clothing, so I'll just have to change that. Let's go for AI image generator, and you can select style, illustration, yes, 2 gorillas and a woman. Well, that's not what I want. I want a plant in a home looking really sad, and a concerned homemaker stands nearby. Well, that is lame, right? I know the prompt is not that amazing. Let's find out what this product can do. We'll go for landscape and generate. I think with good prompting, it can make pretty good images. You can see there are actually 2 gorillas here. They look pretty good. All right, look at this. The plant actually looks sad and the homemaker actually looks concerned. I think the images are nice. All right, one more thing checked. Pretty cool. Video still in process. That's okay. Next, let's look at graphic designer. I think this is a compound graphic making product. Not much AI in this one, so you can just modify graphics. Like let's do this one. Test 1. Here we go. Create it. And I think I can just modify the text, put in headings, put in content. I've seen hundreds of them, and now it's something that you get in this tool. No big deal. All right, so this is what you can do with this. You can change the image, you can put in your new images, you can change the background colors, right? You can make new overlays on the background. So this is the kind of work you can do. Once you're ready, click on download and you can make a PNG file of it. You can see here the PNG file. Here's the image. Well, that's not very impressive. I'll just save it though. Let's go back. But I really love the AI features that it had so far. Then you got the website maker, which is I think a website template editor too. So you got all these amazing templates over here. Well, different templates over here, and you can modify them. So if I click on let's say use this theme, and I click on submit. So this is not a true AI editor again. I can put my photograph here, edit HTML code, or well, there must be a way to edit the image. I think here, set image, and add and upload file, choose file. Took a few clicks, yeah. I'll try to find a photograph of myself. Social. All right. Showing off my big guns. Let's use this one. Yep. So you can modify web pages templates and create something that makes sense to you. All right, our videos are still in processing. I'll just save it, and I want to exit. Go to list. Go back to Ultimate AI. Need a drink of water. Ads creative generator. We can make ads. So you can make headlines. You can do Google Ads headlines, Google Ads descriptions, ads keywords, Facebook ads, LinkedIn ads, and LinkedIn ad descriptions. So this does not make images. It does descriptions. So let's try this. Google ad headlines. Green thumb. Homemakers. It's a plant supplement that helps plants grow indoors. Writing tone, casual, creativity, original. Click on generate. I got one headline, one. Well, I did want better, but you can keep clicking generating. Keep clicking. All right, this time it actually took away all the fields. I wish it hadn't. And it had given me more headlines. I think this is also a bit longer for Google Ads, so don't know for sure if this is any good. I will leave it at that. I'm gonna skip the rest of this section. I think pretty much you got an idea what it can do. Come back to this. Then you have AI agents. So you can talk to an AI agent. They've got a bunch of AI agents. You have seen this technology before, I'm sure. So you've got people role playing. You got AI role playing different things. Some of them are premium, some of them are pro. I don't know what kind of accounts I have. Probably, okay, I don't see my account level, sadly, so I can't tell you. But you've got all these different AI agents that you can talk to. Let's try to talk to Emily Clark. She's an accountant. Well, that's a question that many people asked. I asked once when I was trying to file my taxes once, a long time ago. So, all right, so you see there, the answer comes to you, and then you can let's try ask a trick question. Can you balance a balance sheet? All right, so you see the answer comes pretty fast. It's a fair answer. Of course, this is something that's been here. Now there is social media content creator. Again, I think you can make social media posts for all these platforms. Let's do X tweets, keywords, green thumb, plant, growth, writing tone, casual, and original, medium. Let's do this. Unlock the secrets to lush and vibrant plant growth with green thumbs extra solutions. Elevate your gardening game. All right. So it's a tweet, and if you click on generate again, you will have to fill it again because it emptied it. I'm going to change that, leave it. Social media, Instagram hashtags, Instagram captions, LinkedIn posts. I think this is a basic tool, not very advanced social media generator. So yep, leave it at that. Then you have YouTube optimization. So you can generate YouTube scripts, you can make titles, descriptions, you can create tags, ad scripts, engagement questions, call to actions, YouTube content ideas, trending topics, collaborative video ideas, and YouTube video intro generator, so script generator. Green thumb, plant, growth, formula. Let's keep it professional and click on generate. Here we go. Pretty good intro, standard stuff, right? Come back. Then email writer, so you can write emails with it. I will click on create new, and you have the purpose of the email to promote green thumb plant growth formula. New customers, yes, that all of this is fine. Length of email medium. Do you want to generate a pre-header? Okay. Do you want to suggest email signature? Okay. Language English, GPT model, you've got 4.0, time to bring in 4.5 and 5. It's a bit older now. Tone professional, everything is fine. Click on generate. So I need to put in an email name, green thumb, and URL. So I will put in my own company's URL. Welcome email. So you can kind of select what kind of email it is. I'll do cold outreach. And click on generate. Let's see what happens. Dear valued customer, we are thrilled to welcome you to Technic Force, a one-stop destination. I wanted cold outreach. Maybe that didn't go through, but let's try one more time. Hold on there. Okay, can I get rid of it? No. All right, so let's just go back and check our videos. Still in processing. All right, come back. Next, blog. You can write a blog. I made a couple of great blog writing tools. There is Articleize, there is Bloggy, really professional tools. But you can write a sort of a blog with this one, blogging. I'll just call it blogging. Opinion pieces, okay, and put in my website. I'm not sure if it checked the website last time. Green thumb plant growth formula. Medium. I will let everything else be default. I don't want 4.0 mini. Let's go for turbo and click on generate. It's generating. Okay, so it actually read my website, okay, but I don't see the green thumb plant growth formula as a focus keyword. It talked about my pages and all, my products and all, which is great. I'm wondering, it's kind of like if you see articles that you want to rewrite, you can use this tool. I think that's the best use of this. Save it, and let's go back and check more of this. And our video is not generated yet. All right, next, copywriting. I think it's more of the same. You can click on create new and write a sales copy, like website copy or email or sales page or social media or ad, kind of like that. I wouldn't show you this one. I'm looking for something different or new then. And finally, AI code generator. You can do your coding. So you can choose the programming language, write a function to divide all the money in the world to all the people in the world. So kind of lame, right? But I want to see what it will try to do. So it actually made a Python program. It's a complete Python program. You can use it if you want to, or you can create your own Python code. So if you're looking for some assistance, you can get it there. Finally, the AI writer. So here we go. Description, green thumb plant growth formula. Click on generate. Let's close it up. You get a little piece of text, and then you can write your own a little more, and then if you want something else, you can generate more. I guess that's how it works. All right, so that's the end of the product. Now, unfortunately, our videos haven't been done yet. So I'm going to go to publish videos. Maybe this is not working for some reason. Maybe the meter is not working. Is there a way to see all the videos that I did? Like click on podcasts. So it's still in processing. Sadly, it's been about 20 minutes, but it takes longer than 10 to 15 minutes. And I couldn't show you this, but I think they've got samples on the sales page. You can take a look. And if you decide to buy the product, in my opinion, it's a cool product because it's got a lot of different AIs doing basic things. Honestly, I like the cloning feature. That worked very, very well, and other things too. So if you like this product and you want to get it, well, here is the perfect way to get it. Get it from me, because then I can give you access to my products absolutely free of cost. And I've got some great ones, right? So I've got products for everything, for video generation, for image editing. I have Pixie, which is the best product for image editing. And you can use my products, get it free when you buy Ultimate AI from me. So that's an added advantage because this is under my Technique Force Rewards program. Here we go. Technique Force Rewards. So you can just sign in. If you purchase the product, your reward points will be auto-credited and you can get this cool application with my apps absolutely free of cost. On that note, this is Cyril Gupta. I'm your best friend in internet marketing and I'll see you next time.